I'm Rosa Golchin.
I'm Bavan Rajan.
I'm Fang.
I'm Ricardo, Ozuna.
Could you talk a little bit about your project?
So the main goal of our project was to see how early we could detect volatile organic compounds being released by degrading cyanobacteria. And the cyanobacteria were being consumed by a species of amoeba. So our job was to see how early we could detect the predation process that was occurring.
And the purpose of this was to maximize the efficiency with which we grow algae in order to make it a more viable alternative fuel source to address the coming energy crisis.
So essentially what we do now in industry is we grow algae in a system known as open pond cultivation. And in this process, the algae grow in an environment that's exposed to a lot of contaminants. And so being able to detect these volatile organic compounds will allow us to increase the productivity.
Our actual project itself is actually very limited because we're only looking at one specific cyanobacteria as well as only one certain predator. As more research goes on, we can learn more about how productive we can get growing amoeba or cyanobacteria.
How'd you get interested in this project?
So many of our initial lectures for this program were on the power and viability of algae as a source of biofuels, as opposed to other commonly used crops like soybean and corn for ethanol. And the real power of algae is that it can be very concentrated. However, if it's very concentrated, it also means it's very vulnerable being in such a small area. So this is kind of what inspired us or at least inspired me to pick this group for this project.
And just going along the lines of why we think that algae should be a source of fuel in the future is that ethically we don't think it's very efficient to be using food crops like corn to produce fuel because that oil could really be going elsewhere to feed families. So in terms of like applications, our research is kind of a small scale. It's part of like a larger scale in the sense that our research contributes to basically a database of knowledge that'll help us know more about these predators and know more about the algae to solve the problem of open pond cultivation.
And algae itself has many applications in any way that petroleum is used right now. Algae is looking to replace it, so this includes using foams as well as oils.